So you're manufacturing blades for some of the most advanced wind turbines in the world. Each one is as tall as Air Force One is long. Each is capable of generating enough power for hundreds of homes just by harnessing the wind.
President Obama's visit to our manufacturing facility in Fort Madison, Iowa, was very important, as it gave a very strong signal to the market that we're a strong American company now with American jobs, and it gave a green tag to the whole industry.
Hey Benny, how's it going?
A key criteria for us in everything we do is to make our customers successful. We cannot do this alone. We need to do it in partnership, and only by our customers being successful, we will be successful. We need to do it together.
Siemens is here for the long haul. We're a good, strong balance sheet company. And secondarily, our product is proven, our technology is strong, we're reliable, and we are available. And those are very important things that insurance companies and banks look for as they look to finance projects in this arena.
We're really a customer-focused organization. We're trying to allow them to generate electricity at the lowest cost that they can. And we do that through technology and innovation.
I believe in wind power for America.
I believe in wind power.
I believe in wind power.
When we were installing the turbines back in the 80s in California, we installed more than 1,000 turbines of the small ones. And at that time it was a pioneer spirit. We were building these big projects. And then we didn't think that the turbines could grow larger than, say, 300 kilowatt, but they kept on becoming larger and larger. I believe Siemens are the real pioneers of the wind industry. Excellence is key now as it was then in the 80s.
I think we have been able to combine in a very productive way a high degree of innovation with customer focus to ensure that we had long-lasting solutions that would fit what the customers would want. So I think that we have proven that by having the right skills and having the right approach to things, you can really build machines to last. We really believe in what we are doing.
Partnerships are essential to solving the challenges that lie before us. The problems are so big that no one company or even no one government agency can realistically expect to solve them. The partnership we have with Siemens has been tremendously successful and is a model for how we can work with other large industry partners in the future.
We decrease the cost of wind-generated power through innovation, industrialization, integration with our customers, and internationalization, such as our new plant in Hutchinson, Kansas. We were the first to apply the moving line concept to a wind turbine generator. Much like Henry T. Ford did with cars, we do that with wind turbines, making them in a continuous process. We've localized production in the Americas so that we can shorten the supply chain between us and our customer and maintain the consistent quality that we have.
The integral blade we produce here in Fort Madison, Iowa is just one part of the supply chain in the Americas, where we can manufacture blades in in numerous countries around the world and supply our customers wherever they're needed, onshore, offshore, anywhere in the world.
When the customer comes, they're very impressed with our factory. They take with them the excellence that we have in our workforce, the pride that the employees have. They see it. They feel it when they walk through the factory and see all the employees working diligently on the blades.
I believe in wind power for Kansas.
I believe in wind power for Iowa.
With the use of rail, we have significantly reduced our carbon footprint and our transport costs when compared to transporting our turbine components by truck. What we bring to our customers is over 3 decades of global experience, which provides the skill and expertise to successfully implement large, complex wind projects.
I believe in wind power.
Wind is big down here in Texas. I believe in wind power.
The philosophy here at Siemens when it comes to maintenance is to focus on predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is where we, by the use of sophisticated tools, can predict events on the turbine. We can minimize the downtime of the turbine, and we can minimize the impact and the cost by going in and correcting things, because we're only going into correcting what actually needs to be corrected. Safety is the most important priority here at Siemens. We work at high altitude in a wind turbine where there is confined space, where there is electricity, etc. It's extremely important we have the right procedures so we can stay safe.
I believe in wind power for Latin America.
I believe in wind power for Canada.
The Americas region currently has 4 times more capacity installed than what we had in 2004. On that same year, Siemens Wind Power only had 2 employees. Now we've grown to 1,500 employees and more than 5,000 megawatts installed in this region. We started in the US only, and now we have expanded our business to Canada and Latin America.
First of all, we make these big, beautiful machines that extract electricity out of thin air. We have leading-edge technology, we have the highest quality in the industry. But on top of that, in a broader scheme, I'm really proud that we are driving a technology that will benefit the whole world. More and more countries are realizing that renewables is the only sustainable way forward. Wind is at the head of that, and Siemens Wind Power is at the head of wind. How could I not be proud?
To all the folks who work here at Siemens, I want you to understand, you're making it possible. You are blazing a trail. You're showing America our future.